Hey Couch Cubbies, it's Alex with CouchDotCom. Getting furniture delivered can be very challenging. A lot of things can go wrong and it can create a lot of anxiety. Here are a few things to keep in mind that you might not be thinking about that may help when getting furniture delivered. If you've received a product that isn't quite right or has some sort of damage or defect, or maybe it's the incorrect product altogether, something that customers really don't consider is that the retailer will generally let you use and sit on a couch that's in your home until it's able to be exchanged. This can be a major pressure reliever because many customers think that the delivery team's gonna come back the next day and take the damaged piece out of their home, leaving them with absolutely nothing to sit on. That's almost never the case. It is in the best interest of the retailer to deliver the correct product or the new product or undamaged product at the time that they take away the old one. Here's a great tip when you have a delivery team in your home. Now, a lot of retailers will say in their posted policies that our delivery team can only deliver the furniture and they cannot do anything else. But the truth of the matter is most delivery drivers are independent contractors, and you can generally tip them a little bit extra or hire them, if you will, on the side to do some odd jobs around the house, assuming they have time. It's rare that delivery drivers do have a lot of time, so please be discerning about your requests. But if you're looking for them to take the old sleeper sofa out of your house, while you may not be able to do so through the retailer, since the retailer doesn't want any liability in that matter, the delivery driver and you may be able to make some sort of a side deal. Almost every single delivery driver, if not all of them, are allowed to accept tips. So an extra $20 bill here and there can go a long way if you need a little something extra done. Here is a great tip when getting furniture delivered that people really don't consider. Furniture delivery comes with a lot of trash, for lack of a better term, with a lot of waste. There's big boxes, there's huge plastic bags. Thankfully, a lot of it these days can be recycled, but you still don't necessarily want it in your home. Ask the delivery drivers to take it with them when they leave. A lot of them will do that automatically by default, but if they don't, it certainly doesn't hurt to ask them to do that. You think you might need those boxes just in case you might want to return it. In that case, maybe keep them around the house for a few days and deal with it yourself. But if your new couch arrives and you love it, and you know that this is the right couch for you, or you feel very confident about keeping it, then definitely ask the delivery team to take that with you so they can take it in their truck and bring it back to their distribution hub where things can be recycled or disposed of in mass. This way, you don't have that box sitting in your driveway for 2 months like I did the last time I got furniture delivered.